In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. First, open up Hostinger, then click on websites here, and from within your websites list, you want to find your website which you want to connect GoDaddy to. Click on the three dots and then select change domain. Here, we just have to confirm this and click on change. Now, go to GoDaddy, click on your name in the top right, then select my products. And from within the products page, we want to scroll down until we find the domain and click on DNS. Once you click on DNS, first we will copy our domain name. So copy it, go back to Hostinger, paste it. Now we will wait for this to pop up here. So if you own this domain, you can use it, and we will click on next. Domain added to your site was added. It's time to build your online success. Okay, so now that we have it connected, then here we will need to refresh this and see why we are having issues. So what we have to do is to click on check guide here. And what we need to do is go to GoDaddy. Now we will need to navigate to the DNS section like I said. So if you have navigated to the DNS section, you just want to go into name servers. From here, we will select change name servers. And you want to choose, I'll use my own name servers. Now go back here to the guide and copy this one, the first one, paste it. Now copy the second one, and again you want to paste it. Click on save. Once the name servers have been edited, we'll click on continue here. Okay, so the request is in progress. You want to refresh for the name servers. Now we can go back. We can close this, and you can go and update your refresh this domain here. So right here we want to click on refresh. So let me just find it. Okay, so what I did, I went to Hostinger websites list, and here you will see the refresh button. So you just want to click on refresh, and it might take up to 24 hours for the name servers to update from GoDaddy and go to Hostinger. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.